So, what's new at Darien Lake? Track.
New track. See it out there?
And obviously this is for the new Tantrum roller coaster that they're getting.
Yep.
It's going to be over there by Mind Racer, replacing the old log flume ride that used to be there.
Yep. All over there.
It's like they are going to put up some tracks soon.
Should be putting it up pretty soon. They've got, I think, May 25th is the date they're hoping to have.
That's their due date,
out,
I believe.
Right?
Yeah. Hopefully it's open by then. If it's not, then just wait. Looks like a decent coaster.
It does look like they got to start, and hopefully it's ready by then, but I don't know. They might have some more track out there. They might be getting some more stuff ready, so...
Something is that
that
it looks more orange than green to me.
Well, I think the supports are orange and the track is green. So the green part is the track.
Be the supports.
Yeah, and they got the supports up there too. So
yeah,
at least they're making some progress, right?
In progress.
It's a good thing.
Hopefully they get some track up soon.
Hopefully we'll have some more video with the actual track up there soon, right? Okay.
See you guys later.